So here's, as you can see here, typical condition of this area. About 80% of buildings are either completely destroyed or damaged really heavily because of combination of a bad soil, really soft soil, and also the bad construction. Doesn't mean that you cannot build back here. You can definitely build back here. Whether Japan, California, everywhere, it just has to be done right. Out here, if you look at it, there's a lot of rebar up there, right? And it actually got the good hook, good spacing, amount of rebar. It seems just completely fine. And they spend that effort doing it. However, they missed the one thing. Look down here. This actually, that's where the rebar stops. It's not like a snap, it was like this. So this should be actually embedded into it. Should be much longer, or lapping, what we call lap the rebar, but that was missing here. That's only thing missing it. You see some little thing counts. That's exactly what happened here. That's why how this building collapsed and how people die. The rescuers, they are the heroes. I see. Now you guys from where? Oh yeah, of course. So true that you actually worked with them?
Yes, I was working then supporting with structural assessment in some buildings.
I see.
Working.
Do you know how many people they saved?
How many people?
11.
This group didn't
10 person and one dog.
I see. So one thing I'm gonna show to you here, those buildings standing like here, right here, right? It seems huge damage and obviously not usable. Look like may collapse in a minute. You know, you can see many of those. But guess what? Those buildings actually met intent of a building code. It's same thing could happen in California, same thing. So building code is really meant to be not have the building collapse. So this is a code point of view. It actually worked. There is a technology like seismic dampers and many different technology out there, which is very cost effective. In many cases, probably adding or maybe even adding any construction cost at all to make the buildings to be not only survive the earthquake, but able to use after the fact. That can be done.